30 miles per hour and nickel-size hail are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Minneapolis, St. Paul, Bloomington, Eagan, Woodbury, Eden Prairie, Burnsville, Minnetonka, Edina, St. Louis Park, Maplewood, and Shakopee. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may cause localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. At 10:22 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Litchfield Airport, or 18 miles north of Hutchinson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail is possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Litchfield, Tokado, Dassel, Forest City, Darwin, Litchfield Airport, and Smith Lake. This includes U.S. Highway 12 between mile markers 96 and 122. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may cause localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The Twin Cities, Minnesota climate summary for this evening as of 7 p.m., July 19th, 2017. Today's high temperature of 83 degrees occurred at 12:12 p.m. The record high is 100 degrees, which was last set in 1977. Today's low temperature of 62 occurred at 3:56 a.m. The record low is 46 degrees, which was set in 1873. The mean temperature was 73 degrees. 0.43 inches of precipitation fell today, which brings the monthly total to 1.55 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 17.33 inches. Sunset tonight is at 8:53 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 5:46 a.m. Heavy rainfall to bring a flash flood threat to central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin tonight. A line of training thunderstorms will produce very heavy rainfall from...
Well, I'm done for the night.